The glass market is always going to be an active M&A market, especially in manufacturing and fabrication. Whether companies are serving commercial markets, residential end markets, there's going to be buyers for every market within the glass manufacturing space. You're also going to be competing with companies that are tangential to the space, like building supply products companies. And now you're also going to be competing with financial buyers. Private equity groups have strong thesis in this space. So really your key here is going to be the proprietary deal flow. REAG has played a strong role in the M&A in glass manufacturing and fabrication. We have a proven proprietary process that helps buyers customize their acquisition search and create successful buy-side transactions, specifically in this space. While the glass manufacturing industry has been around for decades, there are still some major problems that limit the growth of some of these businesses. Mainly, transportation. It's hard to transport glass far, and most of the time you're not using LTL carriers. You're using your own distribution. So expanding geographically is one key element to acquisitions in this space. A lot of these glass companies have also been around for a long time. They're kind of archaic in the way that they're doing some of their business. A lot of the companies that are acquiring now are acquiring to gain that specific skill or gain that specific product line that is now the advancement in the glass industry. So a lot of companies have used M&A to advance their product lines and service their customers in a way that they were never able to do so before. REAG has helped clients in the glass manufacturing space optimize their growth through M&A.